What's up, guys? This is the Internet Income Ninja, bringing value and money making concepts to you. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching this video. This is going to be a fairly brief one, and it is a review of a lead that I saw for an editor at a company called Publicize PR. This video is being produced at 10:34 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Tuesday, November 23, 2021. And at this time and date, it was posted 3 hours ago. It's a part-time role, and it is fully international, meaning you can work from any country in the world as long as you have reliable internet connection. So let's just jump into it real quickly. So again, you work from anywhere, and it says, do you have a background in journalism and are passionate about finding the stories surrounding business and technology that matter the most? Looking to be part of an international team and still have the flexibility to work remotely? We are looking for a part-time editor to regularly contribute journalistic stories about the latest in technology and entrepreneurship in the US and beyond. A person that's a self-starter and passionate about growing their own profile and readership along with the publication. Founded in 2007 and currently part of the Espacio Media Incubator, Startup Beat is looking for an editor to reinvigorate this digital publication, which was previously acknowledged by the Columbia School of Journalism's Tau Center for Digital Journalism. The responsibilities will include regularly contributing stories to the publication, and that's one of the reasons it's freelance, because you're contributing stories. So when your story is done, you post it, you contribute it, okay? You promote articles online and engage on social media. You contribute to growing publications' readership and brand. Requirements: background in journalism, professional level English with impeccable grammar, writing, and communication skills. 2 to 3 years of editorial experience in journalistic publications. A self-starter, entrepreneurial spirit. You're motivated and energetic. And the benefits will be as follows: flexible work schedule, remote working environment with an international team, a great company culture, being part of the larger Espacio Media Incubator, example editors who've written for Rolling Stone, The Atlantic, TechCrunch, Times of London, The Telegraph, Times of Oman, Tehran Times, and more. Support from Espacio Media Incubator to help grow your own profile as well as that of the publication. To apply for the job, you'll press this button here. But let's just go ahead and look at the company's website real quickly. Alright, you can see their services here. Alright, hopefully the writing isn't too small for you. In fact, let me zoom in on that real quickly. There we go. Alright. Let's look at the menu again real quickly. Alright. Menu. Let's talk about pricing. From building a brand to launching a business, there's a plan for your text needs, and that's what they do. So this is to people who want to do business with them. So it gives you an idea of what they're about. $1,500 per month, dedicated account management team, in-house writer, 10 years of Publicize's established media relationships, media communication strategy, run up to 2 digital PR campaigns simultaneously. So they're promoting people's brands, people's products. They are a PR company, and they want you to contribute articles to their newsletters and stories and stuff like that. Okay, so PR company looking for an editor. Alright. So again, this is something part-time, something you can do when you want to. Be sure to discuss salary, if it's per story or how many views your story gets. Ask them questions like that in your interview. and all the best. Check the link in the description for a link to Canva that will help you get your resume and cover letter sorted out so that you can have the winning things that you need to present to them to get this job. Who knows, they're probably looking for more than one editor, but for now assume it's one and go aggressively at it. But don't put all your eggs in one basket. Alright, keep looking. When you come to this page, when you click the link in the description, you can scroll to the bottom and you can see all editing jobs. Okay, and it will bring up all the editing jobs that you can view. Some are international, some are not, some are unique to only specific countries, some are full-time and some are freelance. Some are full-time, some are part-time, and some are freelance, meaning they're not hiring you full-time, they're not hiring you permanently. You're just a free agent doing stuff for the company and you get paid accordingly. Alright, so check those out. If you're a digital nomad, this would be great for you. If you're good at English, check them out, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.